afternoon, viewers, and thank you for joining us on Jurnal Bangka Afternoon News. Authorities in Pangkal Pinang, Bangka Belitung, are investigating a suspected murder after the body of man, identified only by the initial age, was discovered in the Rangkui River. The incident has raised considerable concern among local residents and prompted a swift response from law enforcement agencies. A suspect identified as D was recently apprehended following an intensive investigation that spanned several provinces. For more on this developing story, we go live to our correspondent, Destiana, who is standing by at the scene. Destiana?
Okay, thank you, Ronald. I'm Destiana reporting live from the Teluk Bayur area in Pangkal Pinang, near the banks of the Rangkui River, where the body of a 37-year-old male, referred to initial age, was discovered on the morning of March 26. Local residents were the first to spot the body floating near the shoreline and promptly contacted the emergency services. Upon arrival, medical and forensic personnel confirmed the presence of multiple injuries, including trauma to the head and chest, leading police to treat the case as a potential homicide.
Ku gak ada di lokasi kejadian, tapi ku tuh tahu dari tetangga yang lah nengok. Nah, kata sekitar jam 5 pagi itu ada sosok ngambang di Sungai Rangkui itu, dekat jembatan Teluk Bayur. Nah, warga yang nengok langsung ngasih tahu ke yang lain kan, termasuk aku. Tidak lama kabar itu nyebar sekaput. Pihak polisi dan juga warga sekitar cukup terkejut. Polisi tadi datang, kemudian kejadian ini kan jarang terjadi terutama di sini kan, bahkan belum pernah terjadi sebelumnya di lingkungan kami. Semoga kasus ini bisa cepat ditangani dan diungkap oleh pihak berwenang. Itu baik dariku.
The discovery triggered an extensive investigation by the Pangkal Pinang Police Department. Over the course of several weeks, authorities gathered evidence, conducted interviews, and tracked potential leads. The effort culminated in the arrest of suspect identified as D, who was located in the Karimata Island, West Kalimantan, a remote region far from the crime scene. Suspect was taken into custody without resistance and subsequently transported back to Pangkal Pinang for further questioning. While officials have not disclosed a definitive motive, preliminary information suggests the incident may have stemmed from a personal dispute between the victim and the suspect. At this stage, the investigation remains ongoing. The suspect is currently being held at the Pangkal Pinang Police Headquarters, where further inquiries are underway. I'm Destiana with cameraman Afni reporting live from the Rangkui River for Jurnal Bangka Afternoon News. Okay, back to Ronald in studio.
Thank you for Destiana and Afni on the scene. Authorities continue to pursue leads as they seek to establish a complete picture of the event that led to this tragic loss of life. Community members are being urged to cooperate with investigators and come forward with any relevant information. We will continue to follow this story and provide updates as they become available. Stay with us for more top story after the break. You are watching Jurnal Bangka Afternoon News.